Guys, in this video we talk about Honor Magic 6 Pro versus Samsung S24 Ultra. The Honor Magic 6 Pro launched on January 2024 with the price tag of $1,199, and the Samsung S24 Ultra launched on January 2024 with the price tag of $1,199. Dimensions: the Honor Magic 6 Pro height 6.41 inches, width 3.02 inches, and thickness 8.8 mm. And the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra height 6.43 inches, width 3.07 inches, and thickness 9 mm. The weight: the Honor Magic 6 Pro comes with 225 gram and the Samsung S24 Ultra comes with 228 gram. The build: the Honor Magic 6 Pro comes with front and back glass and aluminium frame, and Samsung S24 Ultra front and back glass and titanium frame. Both mobiles come with dual SIM or nano SIM card. Display of these devices: the Honor Magic 6 Pro comes with LTPO OLED 1 billion color, and Samsung S24 Ultra comes with dynamic LTPO AMOLED 2x 16mm color. The screen size: the Honor Magic 6 Pro comes with 6.81 inches, Samsung S24 Ultra comes with 6.80 inches. The resolution of these devices: the Honor Magic 6 Pro comes with 1312 by 2848 pixels, and the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra comes with 1440 by 3088 pixels. And the PPI density: the Honor Magic 6 Pro comes with 460, and the Samsung S24 Ultra comes with 501 PPI density. The refresh rate is same 120Hz in both devices, and the screen to body ratio: the Honor Magic 6 Pro comes with 91.6 body ratio, and the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra comes with 90.1% of body ratio. Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra comes with Gorilla Glass Victus 3 protection, and the Honor Magic 6 Pro comes with Gorilla Glass Victus 2 protection. Honor Magic 6 Pro comes with 3000 nits peak of brightness. Samsung S24 Ultra comes with 2600 nits peak of brightness. Let's go to the camera setup of these devices. The Honor Magic 6 Pro comes with triple camera setup. Main sensor 50 megapixel wide, 50 megapixel ultra wide, and 50 megapixel periscope telephoto with UF 3D depth sensor, and it records 4K 60 fps video. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra comes with quad camera setup. The main sensor 200 megapixel wide, 12 megapixel ultra wide, 10 megapixel telephoto, and 50 megapixel periscope telephoto, and it records 8K 30 fps video. Let's go to the selfie camera. The Honor Magic 6 Pro comes with dual cam selfie camera, 12 megapixel, and a TOF 3D biometric sensor, and it records 4K 60 fps video. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra comes with 12 megapixel of selfie camera, and it records 4K 60 fps video. The platform of these devices: the Honor Magic 6 Pro and the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra come with octa-core CPU with Cortex X4 and Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 4nm chipset in both devices. And the GPU of these devices: both devices come with Adreno 750. Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra and the Honor Magic 6 Pro come with Android 14 operating system. The memory of these devices: the Honor Magic 6 Pro comes with 12GB and 16GB of RAM, and the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra comes with 12GB of RAM. Internal storage: the Honor Magic 6 Pro and the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra come with 256GB, 512GB, and 1TB of internal storage, and no SD card port in both mobiles. The battery of these devices: the Honor Magic 6 Pro comes with 5450 mAh battery, and Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra comes with 5000 mAh battery. The Honor Magic 6 Pro comes with 5450 mAh battery, and the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra comes with 5000 mAh battery. Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra comes with 50 watt fast charging, and the Honor Magic 6 Pro comes with 100 watt fast charging. The wireless charging: the Honor Magic 6 Pro have 50 watt wireless charging, and the Samsung Galaxy have 15 watt wireless charging. The both devices come with 5G network support. The common and feature is same, but the Honor Magic 6 Pro have Face ID unlocking and fingerprint display unlocking. The result of these devices: the Honor Magic 6 Pro got 22 points and the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra got 20 points.